At Workiva, we have created our value chain to drive radical trust, truth, and transparency in all we do. Whether it's supporting our suppliers, helping our employees thrive, taking care of our customers and partners, or making a difference in our communities. To support our impact, we have aligned our value chain to the UN Sustainable Development Goals. At every touch point, we want to deliver both financial and social value to all our stakeholders. Bottom line, we're getting better every day and helping change the world for the better. To learn more about our full ESG efforts, visit workiva.com/sustainability.